y'all see me bagging up though? Oh, okay.
It's everything for me. You're a queen. You always keep it G for me, for me. That's why I got a thing for you.
What's up, y'all? So the rain is practically ruining everything today. We did have plans to go to my best friend's house and have like a grill day type thing, but since it's raining cats and dogs, we will not be able to do that today. So we're just gonna run to Target and we may go to Five Below and then just make it a chill day at home, because it's nothing that we can do outside on this Juneteenth day, of course. So we'll have to make the best of it. I am driving, of course, but I'm being safe because it's mounted up. I'm not holding it or anything. So I may cook dinner. We do have pizza left over from yesterday. So we may be eating leftovers, definitely for lunch. Mama. And I may cook dinner. So I'll just check in with you all.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping, and you ain't been the same. Like, you been on your mind. Who got your time? Who you been vibing with, and why can't let you mind? You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your sign. And now you treat me like my word less than a dime. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you're the only one I want to wrap my arms sweater. I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm for a stupid letter. Singing love songs, love songs, you got me singing love songs, love songs, you got me singing love songs, love songs, you got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs.
Good and nasty, but I'm classy with this shit. So pop a couple Zannies for me quick. Pop a couple Zannies for me. Pop a couple Zannies for me quick.
I just want to say that I am so over this rain. But I did get accomplished what I need to get accomplished. We did go to Target and we did go to Five Below. Excuse my headband. So now I'm about to go home and chill the rest of the day. And I am holding my phone, so shut up. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna go eat to my dad's and just some other stuff. Today is Father's Day, so I'm excited about that. So I'll just take you all on the day with me. We're just out and about in the streets. It's early, but we have a lot of places to go. So
Oh, that's a bag. Hey guys.
I should have went in.
But why you didn't win
It's packed either way.
We don't stop us next. We don't stop us next. We don't stop us next.
My Starbucks line is so long. Hello, Taylor.
Taylor? Can I get you to pull around to the front? We'll have it out. We'll be able to go. I'll bring it out to you.
Okay. gonna know which car mine. We'll bring it out to you.
Hours later.
I'm trying to see how she gonna bring this out here. Because I don't feel like they're gonna bring my stuff out. I feel like I'm gonna have to go in and get it. And I'm about to be annoyed. Because I sat in the drive-thru for 5 hours. Felt like. Okay. 12 hours later. He all in my phone. Oh, it's good. He must want some. Okay. He just watching me. Okay. Oh, y'all don't see me bagging up though? Oh, okay. I guess y'all invincible. Cool. Anywho, I'm about to head to my dad's. I'll check in with y'all once I get there because it's a little hectic right here and I don't want nobody to hit my car or have an accident. So, I'll check in with y'all.
Damn, baby. I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
Mama always told me to be careful who I love, and Daddy always told me make sure he's right. I always had my eyes on this one particular guy. I was too shy, so I decided to write. I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the key. What is that?
Onion ring.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Honey, when you say, anywhere.
Then everybody tell you you look like the Kardashians.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want.
we're headed to dinner for my cousin's birthday. Although it's a late birthday dinner, her birthday was earlier this month, but we're just celebrating her today. So right now we're en route there. I'm a little tired. My allergies have been bothering me, my sinuses, more so allergy per se. But I did go out last night, me and one of my best friends. We just kind of just hopped around, went in, you know, chilled at a bar and got food. That was pretty much last night. I was unable to take you guys along because everything was moving so fast and so much went on in a short period of time that I didn't have time to do anything. But of course next time I got y'all. But I'm trying to drive and get here as fast as I can because we're running late. I could not get up because I just kept sneezing and so forth. So I had to get myself together before we got here. So I'll check in with you guys once we get to the restaurant and kind of show you guys the menu and the food and so forth, and let you know how it is. I've been here before. My first time going, it was okay. Maybe I ordered the wrong thing, but we'll see after today when I get something different, and maybe that'll change my mind on the place itself. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Okay, so this is rigged up on my computer per se because anyway, I ain't got my stuff together. I'm just finally getting some downtime after resting a little bit. Y'all can still hear it a little bit that allergies killing me. Anyway, I came to talk to y'all about what happened on Friday. So I kind of went over that I went out Friday, but I didn't disclose as the reason why I didn't, you know, film anything. Reason being is because Friday really started off as a bus. So me and one of my best homegirls had the idea that we would go to this new Barnes house. You know, it looked cute on Instagram. The pictures look good. The ambiance and so forth. So we was like, well, we should try it out. Okay, we get ready or whatever. Go out. So as we're walking up, the vibe is already off. I'm like, I'm not feeling it. I don't know. I'm big on vibes and, you know, all that type of stuff. Okay, so anyway, we're walking up. People are coming out, which is typical. Okay, more people are coming out. So I'm like, well, you know, is no one in there? It's plenty of people in there, but everybody's just sitting around. The type of club or bar, lounge, or whatever you like to call it, cocktail bar, whatever, you can see right through it. So people are just sitting there, not dancing, everybody on their phone. It's just not sociable. So we're looking at each other like, I don't know if I want to go in here. So then I was like, well, let's see how much it is. The guy's like $20. For what? To sit down and look at everybody? Pretty much. Because nobody is congregating. Everybody's just sitting there. And it's not to say that it's a bad place, because videos and photos I've seen, it looked the opposite. But when I went firsthand, the vibe was just off and it was different. People were coming out and I'm like, well, I'm not going to pay $20 for that. You know, I can do that at home. I'm not paying $20 for boredom. And we're not cheap people, of course, but it's just not, I'm not paying $20 for what? So it's just like, nah. So we decided to go to a spot we always go to, because we already know pretty much what the outcome will be. Like, if it's not a lot of people there, we'll have a good time still, because we just will. Anyway, we go to our other little spot, chill. So at this point, it's getting like later. And we're like, well, you know, let's go get something to eat. So we were going to go to this food truck that my homegirl said was good, but they were closed. So then she was like, well, let's try the Waffle House. So we go to the Waffle House, and we walk up, and it's a line, which is expected because it's late and it's not that many places open. So we go to the Waffle House, and they got a security guard standing there. So I'm like, okay. So we go in, and the girls in front of us are like going off. So I'm like, what's going on? She was like, we've been waiting here for 20 minutes just to order. And the lady that works at the Waffle House like, well, there's an hour to an hour and a half wait for food. Why? You already can't dine in. And I don't know if it was based on to-go orders. I don't know. I didn't divulge in it. But it was 6 or 7 people working. So, looked like nobody was cooking, doing nothing. Everybody was just kind of standing around. So, I assume that's why the girl was upset. So, I was like, I'm not finna stand here for an hour or whatever the case may be for no food. Not for no waffles and eggs. Anyway. So we decided that we would just go to the strip club since they have a restaurant there. Of course, they're open. So we're driving up or whatever. It's packed. So I'm like, well, this is a little, you know, more crowded than usual. But we just go in anyway. Of course, when you're walking in, you do have to go through metal detectors. And speaking of metal detectors, when I went through, the guy checked my purse and he was just like, you're going to have to give me your camera. And I'm like, for what? And he was like, well, you can't take pictures of the dancers. Sir, I'm not taking no pictures of the dancers. And if I wanted to take pictures of the dancers, I would use my phone. So you're going to take my camera over my phone, which both have our cameras, technically. And I was like, I'm not even going to see the dancers. I'm going to get something to eat. He was like, well, I got to keep your camera up here. I said, okay, sir. So, because I'm not about to go back and forth with you. Because you're not finna. I've had a pretty decent night. And yeah, whatever. So, we go order food. And the way that it's set up is you can see through it as well. So, I'm still eyeing to make sure my camera's still over there. Because I already told him if it comes up missing. Yeah. Anywho, we order. Some guy comes up. Running his mouth. We're not paying him no attention. Anyway, we order. And well, try to order per se. The lady is like, well, we can't take any more orders for 20 minutes because the kitchen backed up. At this point, I'm over trying to eat, but we're here now, and this is the last stop that I'm, you know, going to. So we order finally 20 minutes later. So I already knew it was going to take a while to get the food since the kitchen backed up. So we're just sitting there talking, you know, talking to some girls that were sitting next to us at the bar area. Next thing I know, I hear people getting up, chairs moving. People, the line has at this point drastically increased. People are outside just doing the most. Next thing I know is some people fighting. I don't know if it's girls fighting. I don't know if it's dudes fighting. But at this point, I just know somebody fighting. The only thing on my mind is I hope that nobody gets to shooting. Because the only thing that's separating us is glass. That is it. So, at this point, we're looking around to make sure that, you know, nothing drastic is going on. Because that will pretty much be it. And then we finally get our food and we're ready to go, but we can't leave right now because we don't know if the people who got the fight, if they waiting on the other people, we don't know if they lurking on them. We don't know. So we just gotta wait a minute. So we finally end up leaving. I did get my camera and it was still there. So we're leaving out. Hers, the police cars are everywhere. Then the police is like, stopping this car, trying to see who in the car. We don't even know what's going on at this point. We just trying to get out the way. So luckily we did get in our car and we left. But just Friday was just all over the place. Like, I work. So I know y'all probably like, oh, we don't see this girl till the weekend. Because during the week, like, I work and I have a kid. So we have other stuff that we be doing. So when I can get out in the streets, I'm going to take y'all in the streets with me. But some days during the week, it's just like, nah, not going to happen. But Friday ended up pretty well. It was very eventful. But other than that, that's what went on. But that bar that I went to, the first bar, I don't think that that's somewhere that I would go again. Maybe during the week, like for a happy hour or something to that effect. But I will not be going during the weekend. So, yeah, that's the tea on that.